I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. Today, I will be showing you how to make this cute vest out of an old t-shirt. Okay, let's get crafty. The very first step is to cut off the sleeves. You'll find that a lot of my tutorials will be cutting the sleeves off. The second step is to cut off the seam. Ta-da! Okay, seams are off. And this one, you can leave the bottom seam if you like. I think it looks kind of nice having that finished edge there. And if you make your cuts a little janky like I did, it's so easy to fix. One thing I've learned with this t-shirt redesign stuff is that if you make a mistake, you can almost always find a way to fix it. There we go. Nice and even. Oh, looks like I missed the seam down here, so that's gonna come off. Okay, and then the last step is we are going to cut off the neck. And you're going to want to cut it, this one has kind of a high neck, so you're going to want to cut it like a little ways down. But try to leave as much as you can here. Neck is off. And once again, feel free to clean up any of the edges. Also, if you want this scoop to be perfectly round, you could trace a round object like a plate or a bowl and have that be your guide. And that is literally it. We now have our cute little vest. You want to stretch it because that will help the ends roll in and make your cuts look even better. And once again, you can just tidy them up really easily. And depending on how wide the shirt is that you begin with, you could have a little bit wider part in the back. This was a women's large, so it's not actually as big as this men's shirt that the original one was made out of. But that's okay. Now we're gonna put it on. And there you have it. 3 simple cuts and you now have a summer vest. I have a little pocket on mine. You can cut that off if you like, but I'm just gonna leave it there and it'll go on the inside. And look at that. Such a cute little summer vest that you can layer with all your tees. If you wanna add a little belt around the top, that's another fun way that you can wear it. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I will be posting a new DIY tutorial every single day. If you need some more t-shirts for your experimentation, you can get nature-inspired shirts that I illustrate at revivalinc.com. I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks!